To draw a crown, start by drawing the base part of it. So this is like the fur, which sort of fits on the head. The fur makes it nice and soft. This is sitting on your royal head. You don't want any of these sharp. And then just above here, we're going to draw a circle. So these are going to be jewels, and then we're going to want to do, that's kind of a half one. So there's a circle, and then that's kind of a half one, and then that will come up there. And then we'll do a kind of a wiggly line coming across like that. Put some fancy stuff around those jewels. I'm going to put little shades in those jewels while I'm at it as well. Bit of fancy stuff, and maybe another little jewel in between. Now above here I'm going to do a diamond, except it's a square cut diamond, and that's going to come down like that, and it's going to go up like that, and then these are going to come out. So it's like a Maltese cross, and again we can have jewels in the middle, and we can do a little cross like that in the middle. Then this will do something similar coming out sideways, and we're going to have sort of half of that in there like that, a little bit there, and then that will go halfway there. So it's sort of half of one of these, like that. And we can have half a jewel in there. And then we want to have a similar thing happening here, like that. Then we'll have a piece going straight up there with two bars on either side with kind of seed pearls or something in the middle. And on the top, we're going to have an orb kind of thing and a little blob, and then we're going to have like a fleur-de-lis thing on the top again, like that. We can maybe put some pattern in there. And then here we're going to want this to come all the way around there, and that will come all the way around there. And then we can sort of double up that style there. And then we're going to want to have some kind of royal purpley cloth inside like that. And if you're doing it black and white, you might want to just carefully put lots of lines in here for the cloth, and that'll make all the gold parts stand out a bit more. And then we can always add a few more jewels in there. We'll have some kind of jewels in there as well. And if you wanted to, you can put some sort of all the way on the top, just to add a little bit of texture to the whole thing, and maybe on the inside too. And there you go, how to draw a crown real easy. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing. Practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.